Caramel Highlights Hairstyles have taken the world of hair fashion by storm, offering a delightful blend of richness and warmth that complements a wide range of hair colors and skin tones. These luscious highlights add a sun-kissed effect to your locks, creating dimension and depth that breathe new life into your overall appearance. From subtle to bold, there's a caramel highlight style for everyone, whether you're looking to enhance your natural hair color or embark on a stunning transformation. Natural elegance. Caramel highlights seamlessly blend with your natural hair color, creating an effortless and sophisticated look that's perfect for both casual days and special occasions. Sunlit radiance. Mimicking the glow of the sun, caramel highlights infuse your hair with a radiant warmth that brightens your complexion and adds a touch of summer to any season. Versatile pairings. Caramel highlights beautifully complement a variety of base colors, from deep brunettes to golden blondes, allowing you to find the perfect harmony for your unique style. Balayage brilliance. The balayage technique lends itself perfectly to caramel highlights, as it allows for a soft and gradual transition that appears as if kissed by the sun. Textured charm. Caramel highlights add depth to textured hair, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow that highlights every twist and turn. Face framing magic. Placing caramel highlights around your face can illuminate your features, accentuating your eyes and cheekbones with a natural glow. Low maintenance chic. Caramel highlights are known for their low-maintenance nature, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the style without frequent touch-ups. Cascading effect. Long hair adorned with caramel highlights creates a cascading effect that draws attention and leaves a lasting impression. Workplace appropriate. Caramel highlights can be tailored to suit professional settings, providing a touch of personality while remaining sophisticated. Effortless sophistication. Whether you're in a formal gown or casual attire, caramel highlights exude an air of effortless sophistication that's hard to ignore. Youthful glow. The vibrancy of caramel highlights can take years off your appearance, infusing your hair with a youthful vibrancy that's hard to resist. Gentle contrast. For a subtle transformation, caramel highlights offer a gentle contrast that adds movement and texture to your locks. Glamorous evenings. Caramel highlights catch the light in all the right ways, making them a glamorous choice for evening events and candlelit dinners. Sun-kissed waves. Imagine the gentle waves of the ocean kissing your hair. That's the effect caramel highlights can achieve with their natural allure. Modern classic. Caramel highlights are a modern twist on the classic highlighting technique, blending seamlessly with contemporary fashion trends. Adaptable styles. From braids to buns, caramel highlights adapt to a multitude of hairstyles, enhancing the beauty of each intricate detail. Soft transition. The gradual transition of caramel highlights creates a soft and elegant effect that doesn't abruptly contrast with your base color. Effervescent glow. Caramel highlights introduce an effervescent glow to your hair, adding a touch of liveliness and energy to your overall look. Expressive personality. Infusing your hair with caramel highlights allows you to express your personality while maintaining a sophisticated aura. Ageless beauty. Caramel highlights transcend age, making them a versatile choice for both young trendsetters and those seeking timeless elegance. Celebrity inspiration. Many celebrities have embraced caramel highlights, providing endless inspiration for those looking to capture a bit of star-studded allure. Dynamic movement. Caramel highlights create the illusion of movement even in still hair, making your locks appear vibrant and full of life. Understated luxury. These highlights exude an understated luxury that's perfect for those who appreciate the finer details. Dimensional illusion. The play of light and shadow achieved by caramel highlights adds a three-dimensional illusion to your hair. Effortless chic. With caramel highlights, achieving a chic and put-together look becomes effortlessly achievable. Customizable intensity. Whether you prefer a subtle touch or bold contrast, the intensity of caramel highlights can be tailored to your preferences. Seasonless appeal. Caramel highlights are versatile year-round, adapting seamlessly to the changing seasons and fashion trends. Healthy appearance. The vibrancy of caramel highlights can make your hair appear healthier and shinier, even if you've been dealing with dullness. Lived-in beauty. The lived-in look that caramel highlights provide is ideal for those who value a natural and authentic aesthetic. Confidence booster. Walking around with caramel highlights is like carrying a touch of sunshine wherever you go, boosting your confidence and brightening your day.